Meet the Palermo Cushioned Dining Side Chair by Ebel, available at Patio Productions. It's a sleek, cushioned outdoor dining chair that brings indoor-style comfort to your patio table. The frame is rust-proof, powder-coated aluminum, so it's sturdy but still easy to move when you're setting the table or adding a seat for guests. It's built to handle sun, wind, and rain, and upkeep is simple. A quick rinse with water now and then is usually all it needs. A plush seat cushion with quick-dry foam and performance outdoor fabric gives you soft, supportive comfort that dries quickly and resists fading and mildew. You can choose from clean white or deep graphite frame finishes and a variety of cushion fabrics, so it's easy to match the rest of your Palermo pieces or the furniture you already own. There's no assembly required, it's even rated for commercial use, and it's backed by long-lasting residential warranties, so you can count on it for everyday dinners and special occasions alike. And when you shop through Patio Productions, you're working with a team that specializes in luxury modern outdoor furniture and offers free shipping on qualifying orders. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.